Then friends, today we have the newspaper of 8th May 2024. We start with the first news that Indian forces hit Pakistan terror base. 24 precision strike hit infrastructure across 9 sites used to train terrorists in Pakistan and POK. Air Defense Network on high state of alert in anticipation of counter response from Pakistan. Target destroyed without harming any civilian population as per plan, said Defense Minister. Ukrainian drone hit Moscow as world leader arrive for Red Square parade. Senior Cardinal urges conclave voters to select a pope who will seek unity. High alert in border area of Rajasthan in aftermath of action against Pakistan. Symbol row focus on local body poll. SC tell Shiv Sena UBT. Number of examinee dropped by nearly 3 lakh in West Bengal class 12 board exam. Kashmir remain calm but a sense of foreboding looming large among locals. Renowned Bengali writers Amar Mitra remembered night of blackout in Kolkata during 1965 war. Puri titular king urges ISKCON to convince Bengal temple to remove Jagannath Dham name. Leader of India block extend support to trade union Bandh. CM victim kin load actions against Pakistan. LDF government ensure infrastructure deployment in Kerala, say CM Pinarayi. Shiv Kumar meet Gadkari to discuss infrastructure development project for Bangalore city. Kerala has 63 properties belong to Pakistan National. India brief envoy of 13 Security Council members. Foreign Secretary convey detail of military strike to them as part of a large strategy to counter Pakistan's at the UN SC 1267 terror listing, and FATF Misri deny that India has escalated tension. Shah asked border state to stock up on essential good. Congress load bold steps to target terrorism, sends message of unity. Government call all party meet today. Cabinet load military strike. Opposition praise armed forces for carrying out Operation Sindoor. UK urge India and Pakistan to show restraint, engage in dialogue. Terror sites targeted by India forces linked to Jamaat JM, LAT and Hizbul Mujahideen. First attack in Punjab since 1971. Pakistan authorities armed forces to strike action after strike. Pakistan has unleashed a disinformation offensive government of 21 airport in North India to remain shut down till May 10. Decisions following Indian military strike on Pakistan has reduced in a large number of flight cancellations by Indian airline operator on domestic route, international flight to affected. The Hindu made of Chennai wins laurel at Van Infra World Media Award 2025. Climate change is disrupting the human gut in a new path to illness. The building block of an India-US energy future. Nuclear energy and the critical minerals can be the bedrock of deepening energy and technological partnership. Pakistan, Bangladesh and core identity questions. Pakistan invocations of the two-nation theory must lead to its craft and honest self-examinations. A set up India climb by HDI ranks, rising inequality poses challenge. Strokes of justice. India must be prepared for escalating action by Pakistan. The road to regulatory reform. The prevailing attitude of regulator toward business remains one of the distrust. The bureaucratic attitude needs to be transformed into one trust. Telangana grappling with officious deficit. The state is facing challenge in governance due to shortage of AIS officers. Australia re-elect Albanese under economic environmental strain. While the Labour Party is focusing on student debt and housing crisis, it remains non-committable about surgical core export. Pakistan complex web of terror network. Pakistan terror infrastructure has survived for decades within security establishment, which view these forces as static asset. Pakistan has been placed on and off the Financial Action Task Force grey list since 2008 for failing to dismantle terror financing network. Reimagining access to justice and rectifying system barriers. India UK good trade surge 60% in 8 years, import nearly double. US FDA tightens scrutiny on suppliers to America. Global rice price hit floor, but India supply glid to smoother gain. Turk Stream gas pipeline could slow EU Russia decoupling. Vladimir. Investors look to soft data for directions. Private credit firm eye new fields for Hong Kong properties. Trump tell India and Pakistan to stop clashes, volunteer to help. Israel plan threaten continue existence of Palestine in Gaza. Man held after survivor injured in a night attack at Tokyo Metro. Yemen Houthis to keep attacking Israel ship despite deal with US. China to defend justice in looming trade talk with US. Germany new government order border police to reject most asylum seeker. Russia was asking for too much in its initial Ukraine peace offer. Hague State order to pause military aid to Kyiv caught White House off guard. Xi to visit Russia in symbolic show of support for Putin against West. Drama of Frederick Mark elections signalize end of Germany's stable politics. Skipper Rohit Kaul is quit in longest format. Noor Birvis star as CSK deny KKR hope. Enter Dust won over Brescia in an epic semi-final. Sinner return, tennis reel and a new era stumble into focus. That's from my side. See you soon. Jai